Alright. Here's the fiddle I fixed. Had a glue all here. I don't know, a couple years ago now. Time flies. So, the side. Came out good. I didn't have a peg, so I got to use like a tuning peg. That's supposed to be different, but so that is. You can see it. I don't know. Maybe you can. But yeah, you test it. That's that sound you got to get used to. I've been tuning it for about a week now. Different animal than the guitar. But after watching Earl and Strug's videos for years, gets pretty high, man.